How to create a freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and head to the Edit tab at the bottom. Now, drag your desired footage, the one you want to freeze, into the timeline. After you do this, place your playhead on the exact frame where you want to freeze to happen. Make sure the clip is selected in the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip and choose Change Clip Speed from the menu. A new window will pop up. Check the box that says Freeze Frame and then hit Change. This will instantly freeze that single frame at the point you selected. Now, if you want the freeze to appear at the beginning or end of your clip instead of right in the middle, just speed the clip using the blade tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Place the playhead where the freeze should start or end, speed the clip, then apply the freeze frame only to that section. If you want to extend how long the freeze frame lasts, simply grab the edge of the frozen clip and drag it out to the length you need. It will stay frozen for as long as you keep the clip extended. Finally, you can add transitions or effect to make the freeze frame blend smoothly into your edit. And that's it. Now you know how to create freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.